Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the Dmer Pharmacist exam. First, familiarize yourself with the official syllabus and exam pattern. This foundational step ensures you know exactly what to expect, covering subjects like pharmacology, pharmaceutics, and pharmaceutical chemistry. Next, develop a structured study plan, allocating specific time slots for each subject. Consistency is key, so aim for at least 2 to 3 hours of focused study daily. This systematic approach will build a strong knowledge base. Understanding the syllabus and exam pattern is crucial for effective preparation. The Dmer Pharmacist exam typically includes 100 to 120 questions, covering a broad range of pharmacy topics. These questions are often multiple choice, with a specific marking scheme that might include negative marking for incorrect answers. Knowing the duration, usually around 90 to 120 minutes, helps you manage your time during the actual test. Prioritize subjects with higher weightage to maximize your score. For effective study, begin by breaking down the vast syllabus into smaller, manageable units. Focus on understanding fundamental concepts rather than rote memorization. Use standard pharmacy textbooks and reputable online resources to deepen your knowledge. Creating concise notes and flashcards for important formulas, drug classifications, and adverse effects can significantly aid retention. Consider joining a study group. Discussing topics with peers can offer new perspectives and clarify challenging concepts, making your learning more interactive and comprehensive. Consistent practice and revision are paramount for success. Regularly solve previous year's question papers to familiarize yourself with the exam's format and common question types. Take full-length mock tests under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment and improve your time management skills. After each mock test, thoroughly analyze your performance to identify areas needing more attention. Dedicate ample time to revise all subjects, paying particular attention to your weaker sections. Aim for at least 2 comprehensive revisions before the exam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.